Really quickly is just another way that you can do an Instagram story. So I'm showing you here in my my photos on my computer. And what I did earlier is I created a load of Instagram stories in PicMonkey using the template. So I made the correct size, and I used our logos and our branded colors, and I put all these like mini messages. So like this one says hello, and this one says about us, and this one, like, there's various ones, plan your week. So I made those all using just the stock photos and bits and pieces. What I intend to do is create a series of stories in the Instagram channel. So what I'm going to do for that is I'm not going to turn a post into a story. I'm just going to like actually create 7 stories that scroll through. So when I do that for Halifax, which will be later in the week, I think I'll turn the record function on my phone and try to show you how I did it in case you ever want to just do stories on their own. Stories can also be videos. I do have a good tutorial I've found online about that. I'll share that with you as well. Okay, thank you.